I am Dr. Vanita Bhardwaj from JVWU University, Jaipur. Today we are gathered here to discuss a very important topic, business economics. Economics is a social subject in which studies the earning and spending activities of human beings, in which we are doing economic activities. Economic activities are related in earning and spending, and non-economic activities are related in charity, education, non-economic activities. If you are doing charity, it's not an economic activity, but if you are buying something or selling something, you are doing economic activity. So we are discussing business economics in economic activities and non-economic activities. Nature and scope of business economics. Nature and scope of business economics is very wide. Whole economies depend on business. Because we are doing all economic activities, none of them live without economic activities. So business economics is the crucial part of our life. Next, macroeconomy and microeconomy. Macroeconomy's area is wide, in which studies a large groups, economic and global wide level. And in microeconomic, we study small groups and individual persons economic activities. These are smaller part than economic activities. Next, demand analysis. Demand analysis is very important topic. Professor Marshall said, if you recite a poet, a parrot, demand and supply in any answer of an economy, he can answer all economic problems. So demand is the very crucial important. What is the difference between the demand and desire? If you have desire, you want to buy something, you have resources to buy this, and if you are willing to pay this, this is your desire. But if you have some resources, desire to buy something and particular time and particular quantity, this is your demand. But if you have desire, you have resources, but you can't pay your resources, this is only desire. So if you want to convert your desire and demand, you have resources, desire and willing to pay for that sources, this is the demand. Law of demand. Law of demand has inverse relationship between the price and demand. When price is up, demand falls, and when prices falls, demands up. Elasticity of demand is classified in two categories, price elasticity and income elasticity. Price and demand has inverse relation. When price up, demand goes down. When demand goes down, price is up. And in income fact, there is a different relationship. When income increase, demand increase. There is a parallel relationship. When income decrease, demand is also decrease. Theory of consumption. In theory of consumption, we are discussing about the behavior of a consumer. How a consumer spend their income in any kind of commodity, like that consumption, food items, durable goods. In that approach, we discuss two approaches. Ordinal approach, which is given by the Marshall, and second approach is cardinal approach, which is given by Keynesian. Indifference curve, this is the part of utility approach, and consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium is a situation where income of a consumer is spent on the expenses, commodities, and their return on the consumption, their satisfaction is equal. This is the consumer equilibrium situation. Production function. Production functions are very important in business economics. Every firm's main object is to produce goods. Produce goods for selling and earning profit. Productions functions can classify into two categories, short term and long term. In short term productions functions, all factors are classified in two categories, fixed factors and variable factors. But in long term production function, we have sufficient time, we can change all factors of production. So in long term production functions, we have all the factors of productions are variable. Law of variable proportion are classified in three categories: increasing return to scale, constant return to scale, and decreasing return to scale. Isoquantum curve and isocost curve are the most crucial part of the production function. When we produce any kind of product, we have to analyze first of all cost, and after that quantity. What will be the cost and how much quantity will we produce? Its all decisions are taken by the isoquantum curve and isocost curve. Next, market structure. In market structure, we can say market is not a particular place. Market means there is a particular commodity, some buyers and sellers. Physical market is not required in present scenario. See, so we can say market is a place or product or buyers or sellers combinedly of economic activities. Market can classify in 3-4 categories. Perfect market competition. In perfect market competition, there must be a homogeneous product. Buyers and sellers are more than, they know all knowledge about the market, and similar prices are running in the market. Second है monopoly market. In monopoly market, there is only a one producer or seller. He has completely control on their sales and he decide their prices according to demand. Imperfect market. Imperfect market is really, we can see in our day-to-day life, there is product, but there is something difference in their price, quantity, quality and packing, but they are, some quantities are similar. In just like soap and toothpaste, there are several brands, several products, and their prices are varied similarly but more than different. In oligopoly market competition, last but not the least, in oligopoly there are limited buyers, limited sellers and buyers, but their products, they have their own control on their supply and demand. Thank you. This is our today's topic.